Hello gamers, welcome. In today's video, let's see the best EAFC 25 custom tactics for Manchester City. The new FC IQ system has introduced the concept of player roles to EAFC 25. This has made the game more interesting and fun. Custom tactics can be significantly enhance the team's performance. Now here comes the good part. The best tactic is 4-3-3 holding formation is certainly the best fit for the Manchester City. Now let's dive in depth on how the players has been placed as per the image. If you look closely, Erling Haaland will play as a striker and Jeremy Doku on the right and Phil Foden on the left. This will allow gamers to go for cutback passes and far more shots from the wings. Now Kevin and Silva will play as the two central midfielders, with Spanish superstars Rodri acting as a defensive midfielder. You can also see all the substitute players as well. The main intention for every formation in AFC 25 is to accommodate the players at their best roles. The same applies to this Manchester City lineup. Erling will play in the poacher plus role and Foden acting as an attacking insider forward and Doku being the balanced winger plus. In the midfield, Kevin will be the playmaker plus, and Silva will add width to the team in the half winger plus role. Rodri will be more defensive oriented in the holding plus role. Both wide defenders will be balance hitting to assist both offense and defense, while Kyle will take on the wing back role. Akanji will serve as a no nonsense center back in the defender role. This is all about the video. Hope you got value from this. Thank you.